sunshine in the moonlight. We can make the gray clouds to the blue skies. I know it's hard, baby, believe. Yeah. And we can go nowhere but up from here, my dear. Baby, we can go nowhere but up. Tell me what we got to fear. We'll take it to the sky, past the moon, to the galaxy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday, dear Bria. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday to you.
I see you whining and grinding up on the floor. I know you see me looking at you, and you already know I wanna love you. You already know I wanna.
I got plans for me and you. Oh, it ain't my time, baby girl. We can
Pwede bang dito ka lang? Dito ka lang sa may tabi ko. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na may pagtingin ako sa'yo.
Hi Ray, this is Geraldine. Happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the best and more candles to blow. Sana maging close pa tayo. Stay kind and pretty. Can't wait to see you soon. God bless you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Ate Rain, happy birthday. Thank you sa friendship and for understanding me. Sana magtagal pa yung friendship natin. You know that I'm always here for you. If you need anything, we always got your back as well. God bless you. I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. I love you. Happy birthday, Rain.
Hi Ate Rain, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and always take care and hope to see you soon. And sana wag ka magbabago. Nandito lang ako always sa'yo. Kung ano mang problema mo, chat mo lang ako and i-comfort kita lagi. Ayun. Keep smiling every day and good health dapat. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan sa inyo, lalo na ngayon. And yon lang. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Hi Ulan! Happy birthday! Ayan, ingat ka palagi. Sana nag-enjoy kang panoorin tong video na to. Thank you at naging internet friend kita. See you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Rain. God bless you. At gusto ko sabihin na wish ko sa'yo is lahat ng mga pangarap mo matupad mo, tsaka yung gusto mong maabot sa buhay ay matupad mo nga. At either sa sarili mo or sa family mo, yun. At kakantahan din kita kasi wala lang. Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? So yun ang gusto kong sabihin. At saka, stay pretty, stay sexy, and stay humble. Salamat sa pagiging mabait kasi kahit sobrang minsan lang natin magkausap sa online world, pero ang saya mo kausap, promise. God bless you ulit. Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Rain, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo na sana maging masaya ka na and be positive always, wag lang sa COVID. Ayan, tsaka stay healthy and sana maging masaya ka na sa buhay mo and sa family mo. And lahat ng problems na kinakaharap mo, makakaya mo yan. Andito lang kami. Love you, happy birthday!
Hi Stormy, I just want to say happy birthday to you and more birthday to come. Have a blessed day and nice day. All the best wishes may come to your life, and then I just want to say sorry for those mistakes I've done for you. I won't demand anything, but I'm here to greet you. Happy birthday. Then once again, enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Rain. Wish you all the best and sana, ayun, happy birthday.
Hi Rain, happiest birthday to you. I would like to say thank you for being one of my close friends sa fandom. Hoping for the best. Hopefully, you will be genuinely happy na. Hindi lang sa love life, but also sa buhay mo. And soon you will reach your goals. Andito lang kami para sa'yo. And kapag may problema ka, don't ever hesitate na mag-chat sa akin. And thank you also for being there para i-defend yung name ko sa fandom because it was needed. And I love you so much. And once again, happy birthday. And yun na.
Hi Ate Rain, happy birthday. Wish you all the best at sana mas tatagal pa yung friendship natin. Lagi ka mag-iingat ha. Love you.
So, hello Ate Rain. Happy 19th birthday sa'yo. Salamat sa friendship, sa advices, sa memories. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw mo. Tsaka sana mapasaya ka ng video na to. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Maging maganda ka lang lagi. Maging confident sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Sana magtagal pa yung friendship natin. I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Rain! Lagi mo tatandaan, nandito lang kami para suportahan ka, para makinig sa mga problema mo. Wag na wag kang mahihiya na lumapit sa amin kasi kami lang naman yung tunay na friend mo. Siyempre, alam mo naman yun, napag-uusapan naman natin yan. Wish ko sa'yo, sana hindi ka magbago kung ano yung pagkakakilala ko sa'yo. Sana mag-grow pa yung friendship natin nila Kiana at Zay. Sana magtatag pa tayo. Lagi mong iingatan yung sarili mo. Isa ka sa best friend ko na mahal ko. Sana magkita na tayo soon. Keep safe. Love you.
Ginawa namin to para sa'yo. Sa birthday mo, ngayong birthday mo. So, ayun. Happy birthday. Thank you kasi naging kaibigan kita for almost 1 year. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa kayo nila Bea, nila Jane, lahat ng nandito sa video na to. Tsaka, salamat ng sobra. Tsaka, pasensya ka na rin di ako nagpunta ng birthday mo. Yung 18th birthday. Alam mo na, busy ako kasi may pasok rin kami. Tsaka, may problema din sa bahay ng that time. Kaya, ayun. Maging healthy ka lang lagi. Tsaka kapag may problema ka, nandito lang ako, nandito lang kami lahat para sa'yo. Yun lang. Maraming salamat kasi naging mabuti kang kaibigan sa akin, naging mabait kang anak sa akin. Talagang pinaramdam mo sa akin na parang nanay mo ako yun. Tapos, pinaramdam mo sa akin na totoo kang kaibigan. Ayun lang. Ayun na, naiyak na ako. So, ayun. Nag-ayos pa ako para dito. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Huwag ka sana magbago sa aming mga kaibigan mo, lalo na sa akin. Yun lang. Thank you. I love you.